Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I would like to give you some more details regarding the Deep Aero and why do I think it's a very important project for the future, especially because it's using the blockchain technology, which is fairly new on our world, let's say. Of course, guys, before we dive into this, I would like to invite all of you to subscribe to ICO Central and to also leave a like for this video if you find it helpful. So guys, you should know that Deep Aero, it's basically building an autonomous drone economy powered by AI and blockchain, and they pretty much wants to completely change the urban transportation system by bringing on-demand aviation and cargo delivery at your fingerprints. Pretty interesting, huh? So pretty much, guys, the development of the world of aviation technology is currently growing very rapidly. By one of them, since the emerging of unmanned aerial vehicles or unmanned aircrafts of this plane became more popular in the community due to the fact that it has so many use cases. And basically Deep Aero is developing 3 products. The Deep Aero UTM, a decentralized, intelligent, self-aware autonomous drone traffic management platform. The Deep Aero passenger and cargo drones, which is pretty much a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft for transporting people and goods, which are going to run on the Deep Aero UTM. And also, guys, the Deep Aero drone marketplace, which is going to be a decentralized marketplace for drones related products and services. It has plenty of use cases. As you can see, aerial survey, package delivery, aerial transportation, photography and filmmaking. I think this is pretty popular right now, the photography and filming making. Pinpoint pesticide delivery, forest fire fighting assistance, traffic monitoring, underground sewer power utility maintenance and safety inspections, and so on, guys. Crowd control management, livestock range management, power line maintenance and safety inspections, and so on. So as you can see, there are plenty of use cases in the world for this project. It has also been covered on several big media outlets, so therefore there is a lot of awareness about this project on the market. And pretty much, guys, in the future, Amazon Prime Air and Google's Project Wing are looking forward to make drone delivery a reality. So Deep Aero does have some big customers, some potential big customers like Amazon and Google. So these guys are looking to make drone delivery a reality, and despite all the rules, regulations and restrictions, drone startups are multiplying in number, and UK is a step ahead of the US in drone regulations. On the other hand, Amazon is also looking forward to roll out drone delivery in Great Britain. Furthermore, guys, airlines and oil rigs use drones in inspecting the hard equipment. The FAA has issued certain rules to govern the use of drones, and the drones innovation is already pushing the envelope well beyond the operations envisioned in the FAA rules, guys. So this market is developing, this new technology is developing and slowly making room into our lives. Deep Aero, guys, also has a very big social media reach. For example, on Twitter they have over 19,500 followers. On Facebook they have over 20,000 followers, and both on Twitter and Facebook they are extremely active and engaging with the community. So that's a very good sign. And also on Telegram they have over 16,000 members in their group. On ICO Bench, guys, they got some really high ratings from 18 blockchain experts, and the team behind the project also passed the Know Your Customer verification process conducted by ICO Bench. Between the people that rated the Deep Aero project, it is Vladimir Nikitin, which it's the second highest rated blockchain expert on ICO Bench, and let's see, David Drake, guys, which is the highest rated blockchain expert on on ICO bench. Ta-da. David Drake and Vladimir Nikitin both rated the Deep Aero project, and both of them gave some, for example, Vladimir Nikitin gave maximum ratings, and David gave maximum ratings except for the team, which got a 4. So yeah, guys, this is one of those projects you want to keep your eyes on. The total supply of the Deep Aero project is 5 billion tokens, and as you can see, 2.5 billion, pretty much half, 50%, are going to go to the public, are going to be sold to the public, and the price per drone token is $0.05. Guys, if you are interested in this project and if you wish to find out more about it, I'm going to leave some links in the description, and ultimately you can decide if you wish to invest or not in this project. I thank you all for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and also check out the ICO Central Telegram channel. Links in the description.